our food systems, our banking systems, our water systems, energy, financial. These are the battlegrounds of the 21st century. It's information warfare. We live in a world that is full of data, of information, and it's massive, and it's growing exponentially. For many of us in the industry, we call that big data. Where is this big data coming from? It's coming from, for instance, think of all the video cameras that are out there now providing security and surveillance information. This is megabytes and petabytes of data per hour, per day. The exact figures are frankly astronomical in terms of how many libraries of Congresses we are filling every hour. Not only do we have a lot of data, but it's actually data that's what we call in motion. So we have information that is flowing by, is passing by at incredible rates. This data is no longer at rest. It's no longer sitting in a database. It's actually moving across networks. It's moving across cyberspace. Moreover, it has an increasing variety. So we call this the 3V problem. Extreme velocity, extreme volume, and extreme variety. Now this raises a number of problems. First, we don't have enough storage to store all this stuff. Second of all, we can't afford to just store all this data and go look at it later. By then, the bad thing has happened, bad guys have done their job. So what a number of us are working towards is being able to analyze this big data in motion and to do it in a meaningful way. Imagine that you have a coal-fired utility plant, and that coal-fired utility plant's burning coal every day. It's producing electricity. That's lighting up a significant part of the grid in the eastern United States. You don't have to physically attack it anymore. You don't have to bomb it. You don't have to have some hurricane shut it down. Cyber events can cause that thing to shut down. It's not impossible today to very inexpensively, very cheaply infect that system with a certain piece of code that would basically create an instability within that system. Increasingly, as our infrastructure, our food infrastructure, our production systems, our banking systems, our transportation systems become more and more wired. That connection, that interconnectedness through the internet, through the World Wide Web, is introducing a variety of vulnerabilities. It's those vulnerabilities, those access points that become vectors for attack. What Kairos is designed to do is allow us to have those interdependencies and that connectedness, but to do it in a secure way. Kairos provides our customers with an advanced big data in motion analytic compute appliance that they can integrate into their overall information technology backbone to provide real-time analysis of threat, attack, and other vulnerabilities. When we talk about Kairos, we talk about essentially the concept of a central nervous system. It allows us to collect massive amounts of data in real time. It allows us to not only collect that data, but process that data. It then allows us to move to the very important level of analytics or analyzation, performing certain functions on the data. And then it allows us to take the outcome of that analysis and act upon that and share that information. Collecting, processing, analyzing, acting. That's smart analysis. That's what Kairos is designed to do. Provide that at the right time, at the right place, in the right way, and frankly, at the right cost for our customers.